Alrighty, first things first, the Earth revolves around the sun. Boom. Okay, second thing is, now we're going to talk a little bit about the seasons. So the Earth is on a 23.5 degree angle tilt. I don't know if you knew that, but let me draw it real quick here. So we've got Earth, okay, so now I will demonstrate how the sun's rays hit the Earth at different locations. So at this point where the sun is, that I drew the arrows. So as you can see, the sun is hitting this portion, and remember the Earth is still spinning, so it's still spinning like this, it's still spinning, which means that it's able to hit this portion. The sunlight is able to hit this portion, but is not able to hit this portion up here at all. Now, when the Earth starts moving over here, you can see that the sun's rays are hitting the equator, and because it's spinning, that means that the sun will actually be hitting the entire Earth, all of it, because it's spinning on the axis, which means that the sun will actually be able to reach this portion. At this point here, you're not going to be able to see the sun's rays on this side because it's spinning like so, and the sun's rays will only be able to hit the southern hemisphere at this point. One of the things is that actually, if I was going to talk about the misconception, one of the misconceptions is the tilt of the axis makes California, this is what people believe, closer in summer than in winter, but it actually does not have any effect at all, because the Earth barely gets any closer to the sun, and it has no effect because the sun is so far away from the Earth. And also, the Earth's orbit is an ellipse. So, when the Earth is closest to the sun during this ellipse, it is the northern hemisphere winter and the southern hemisphere summer. Also, the angle of the light changes, which causes the light to be less intense or more intense. So as you can see here, sun's rays are hitting here, but they're hitting directly here, but they're able to wrap around just a little bit on the sides. So this is going to be intense light here, and it will not be as intense over on this side. And for this one, the light is hitting directly here and wrapping around on the sides. Awesome, thank you, and hopefully you understand the seasons.